Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of quick dry towels, and we've got a standout contender, the Rainleaf Microfiber Towel. If you're on the hunt for the best quick dry towel for swimming, look no further. Let's get into why this towel deserves a place in your beach bag. First off, what sets the Rainleaf Microfiber Towel apart from the rest? Well, it's all about performance. Made with high-quality microfiber, this towel is super absorbent, capable of soaking up water 5 times its own weight. Host voiceover. Whether you're coming out of the pool or drying off after a refreshing swim in the ocean, this towel has you covered. And the best part? It dries in no time, thanks to its quick drying technology. But it's not just about functionality. The Rainleaf Microfiber Towel is designed with convenience in mind. It's ultra-compact and lightweight, making it a breeze to pack for your next adventure. Plus, it comes with a handy snap loop for easy hanging. Host voiceover. But wait, there's more. This towel isn't just for drying off, it's also incredibly versatile. With its soft suede-like feel, it's gentle on your skin and perfect for lounging on the beach. Plus, it even has a zippered pocket in the corner for storing your essentials. And with 6 sizes and 16 vivid colors to choose from, you can find the perfect towel to suit your style and needs. Whether you're traveling, hiking, swimming, or practicing yoga, the Rainleaf Microfiber Towel is the ultimate companion. So there you have it, folks, the Rainleaf Microfiber Towel, the best quick dry towel for swimming on the market. Don't just take my word for it, though. Give it a try for yourself and experience the difference. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy swimming!